What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's Tuesday, October 14th, 2025. The market will be open in less than 10 minutes. So once again, I'm day trading NASDAQ futures. I'm going to be trading the micros, MNQ. I've got my funded Apex account here, currently sitting at 51,501. I had that up to about 52,000, and I had a red day yesterday, and this so I got to work my way back up towards getting another payout there. So hopefully just in a couple more days I'll have that back up to where I can get another payout. And the next one down is an evaluation account, currently sitting at 51,311. If you watch my last few videos, that's the account that I was kind of struggling with. I kept getting, 1,000 in profits and then losing 1,000, get up 1,000, down 1,000. So that account I've actually been trading for about 12 days, and it's just been up and down. I haven't really been able to get it all the way up to the funded phase, but yesterday I actually had about $466 in profits on that one. So I'm making good progress on that one now. And then this bottom account here, that's an Apex evaluation account, and that one I actually had up to 51,600, and I had a red day on it yesterday. I was actually in the green on all three of those accounts, and then I had a losing trade, and at the time I had the losing trade, I wasn't trading the middle account here. So after that, I decided just to leave that account alone, and I ended up getting another losing trade, trading the other eval and the funded account. So those two are currently down right now, and that middle evaluation is sitting pretty good. So just got to wait for some good setups and have a green day today, make up for the red day yesterday. If I can have a green day every day the rest of this week, I'll be doing good. I had I didn't have any all red days last week. I had a red day for my funded account one time last week, and I had a red day for that bottom evaluation account one day last week. Other than that, it was all green, and the previous week before that was pretty good too. So kind of off to a rough start yesterday to start this week off for a couple of these accounts, but it's fine. I'll get them back. Just got to wait for the good setups and see what happens. So I'm going to be waiting for my flag patterns, my extreme momentum continuations, and reversals. And I have certain criteria that has to be met in order to enter those trades. So that's what I'm doing. Patiently waiting. I've got some profit goals in mind. So once I hit a certain profit goal on these accounts, I'm going to shut them down and be done for the day, because the last couple of times I've actually had a red day, I was actually pretty far in the green before it turned into a red day. So I'm going to just cap myself with a profit goal. As soon as the profit goals hit, quit trading that account, hit it on another account, and when they're all at their profit goal, I'm just done for the day. That way I don't take a chance on turning a green day into a red day. And I haven't had very many red days anyways these last few weeks, but I think that will cut it down even more. So that's the plan. Just kind of figuring things out, tightening things up a little bit as I go. So subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comments if you want to see more videos like this. If you want me to make them every single day or start going live, just comment below and let me know. If I get enough people requesting it, then I don't mind doing that. So let me know if these videos help you out, and I'm going to wait another 5 minutes or so till market opens, so stay tuned.
So, how often do you ignore those subtle signs because you want the move to continue?
Alright, we got some momentum there. Let's see if we can get 10 points off of that.
I made the mistake myself.
See if we can grab 10 points on each one of these accounts with this momentum.
The third sign,
Come on.
dangerous of all, is the change in
Come on. There we go.
The same principle applies in reverse. The best traders don't just know how to ride a wave, they know how to step off before it crashes on the shore. You protect your capital not by holding on to every trend.
Alright, try to catch 10 more points right there on that evaluation.
Now let's slow down.
See if we can get it here.
You might be wondering, Jesse,
Try this with 10 micros. See, can we get it? Can we push? Can we push? There we go. Nice 10-point gain there. Funded account.
It only moves on when it's ready.
Actually, I know I can get 10 points off of that. Come on, go ahead and give me 10 points.
It's not fear that keeps you safe in the
Almost. Almost had it. Come on.
Respect for the rhythm. Respect for the
There we go. 10 points. My profit go on the funded account is 200. And we're close enough, but I'm going to go ahead and try to snag 10 more points on this evaluation account here.
Though it still feels like it's just getting good. Most traders mistake the burst of action for strength. They see price leaping higher, volume exploding, and they think this thing's unstoppable. But the truth is that rush of energy is usually the last gasp before the move collapses under its own weight. I've seen it in stocks, commodities.
Alright, come on, give me 10 points on that evaluation account there.
Human nature doesn't change.
There we go.
You're in a frenzy. Volume is the market's pulse. When that pulse starts racing wildly, you should...
Alright, I'm going to go ahead and try to grab 10 points. It's kind of a risky trade here, but it's on the evaluation. ATR is getting kind of high, but I think we're going to retrace a little bit of that wick on the 15. I think we got room to get it. There we go, a nice 10-pointer on that one with just 5 micros. Oh man, strong push down. I think we still got room to go down there. Oh, I might have to scale down. ATR is high on that 2-minute. Stick with 5 micros for now on this. There we go.
Most traders miss it because they're busy looking for excitement. They want fireworks, not whispers.
Alright, I'm going to go ahead and try to grab 10 points here. It's kind of risky. Strong momentum to the downside though. That's the PA account. This is my last trade on there for the day. Let's see if we can grab 10 points on it real quick.
Are no longer winning the fight as easily as before. In every strong uptrend, you'll notice a pattern. The price keeps making higher highs and higher lows. Each breakout brings in new...
Come on, let's grab 10 points with this momentum here. There we go. Absolutely done with that account for the day. Alright guys, I know it's early, but I've already locked in over $800 in profits in less than 30 minutes. Just because of this strong push we had down at market open. So that's kind of my bread and butter, momentum trading. I lock it in while I can and then I just stop and wait. So I do think there's a good chance the bulls step in and reverse and then we get a nice somewhat push to the upside and then maybe go range bound or something, I don't know, but I'm just going to sit and wait and see what the market does. But as far as the video is concerned, I'm going to go ahead and call it done for the day. Nice, quick, short and sweet. $800 in less than 30 minutes. You can't really beat that. So now it's just time for me to sit and relax. And if I get another setup, good. If not, I'm fine with it. If I do get another setup, I will probably only trade this bottom evaluation account. Try to make some good progress on it. You know, like I said, if I don't get a setup, it's no big deal, but I do think we're going to try to push back to the upside. I think there's going to be a lot of demand here on the NASDAQ. We're retracing some of that candle from yesterday, and I think we'll probably get some buyers stepping in there, hopefully, or else there's a potential risk of a bear market or a big correction starting on the overall market. So we're going to just sit and wait and see what the market does. Thanks for watching. Comment below Let me know if this video is helping you with your trading, so you can kind of see what I'm doing. Let me know if it helps. If you want me to make videos every single day or start maybe live streaming or something, just let me know. Give me some feedback. And make sure you're subscribed, because I'll have another video maybe tomorrow or the next day. And I do crypto updates every couple of days, and I'll continue to do that. So subscribe so you don't miss out on that. And until the next video, peace out.